Kittens are bundles of energy and curiosity, but their playful antics can sometimes lead to behaviors like biting and scratching that, while natural, need to be addressed early. These behaviors are not a sign of aggression in kittens but rather an expression of their instincts and a way for them to explore the world. Understanding why kittens engage in biting and scratching is the first step to managing these actions and guiding them toward more acceptable behaviors. Kittens begin to learn about social boundaries from their mother and siblings. During play, they often pounce, swat, and bite each other. These interactions teach them how to control the strength of their bites and claws. However, when a kitten is adopted at a very young age or hasn't had sufficient time with its litter, it may not have fully developed these skills. As a pet parent, it becomes your responsibility to continue this learning process. Redirecting a kitten's natural instincts is key to managing biting and scratching. Kittens often bite or scratch out of curiosity, boredom, or overexcitement. Providing them with appropriate toys is a great way to channel these behaviors into acceptable outlets. Toys that mimic prey, such as feather wands, small balls, or plush mice, are particularly effective. When your kitten attempts to bite or scratch your hands, immediately replace your hand with a toy to teach them that toys, not people, are for biting. Consistency is crucial in training kittens. If they learn that biting results in play or attention, they are likely to repeat the behavior. Instead, respond to biting by withdrawing your attention. For example, if your kitten bites during play, stop all interaction immediately and turn away. This signals to them that biting ends the fun. Avoid yelling or physical punishment, as this can frighten your kitten and damage the trust you are building. Instead, use calm and consistent redirection to reinforce positive behavior. Scratching is another natural behavior for kittens, as it helps them mark territory, stretch their muscles, and maintain healthy claws. To prevent them from scratching furniture or other unwanted surfaces, provide scratching posts or pads. Place these near the areas they tend to scratch, and encourage their use by gently guiding them to the post or using catnip as an attractant. Rewarding your kitten with treats or praise when they use the scratching post reinforces this behavior. Handling a kitten gently and frequently can also help reduce biting and scratching. This teaches them to associate human touch with positive experiences. Pet them often and hold them in a calm environment, gradually increasing the amount of time they are held to build their comfort level. Be attentive to their body language. If they seem tense or overstimulated, give them space to avoid triggering defensive reactions. Socializing your kitten with other people and animals can further reduce unwanted behaviors. Controlled introductions to new experiences help them become more adaptable and less likely to react with biting or scratching out of fear or anxiety. Allow your kitten to approach new individuals at their own pace, and encourage positive interactions by offering treats and gentle handling. Understanding the triggers for biting and scratching can make a significant difference. Kittens may bite out of frustration, teething discomfort, or overstimulation. Recognizing the signs that your kitten is feeling overwhelmed, such as twitching tail or flattened ears, allows you to adjust your interactions accordingly. During teething, which occurs between 3 to 6 months of age, provide chew-friendly toys to soothe their discomfort and reduce the likelihood of biting hands or furniture. Building trust and setting boundaries with your kitten takes time and patience, but the effort is worth it. By consistently redirecting their energy, rewarding positive behaviors, and creating an environment that meets their physical and emotional needs, you are setting the foundation for a well-behaved and happy cat. With love and proper training, even the most playful kitten will learn to use their teeth and claws appropriately, strengthening the bond you share and ensuring harmony in your home. Another key aspect of managing a kitten's biting and scratching behavior is ensuring they have plenty of mental and physical stimulation. Boredom can often lead to mischief, as kittens need a healthy outlet for their seemingly boundless energy. Interactive play sessions are an excellent way to engage their natural hunting instincts while teaching them to direct their energy toward toys instead of hands or feet. Rotate their toys regularly to maintain their interest, and consider puzzle toys that dispense treats to keep their minds sharp and engaged. Creating a predictable routine can also help reduce stress and unwanted behaviors. Cats thrive on consistency, so establishing set times for feeding, play, and rest helps them feel secure. When kittens feel safe and their needs are met, they are less likely to act out through biting or scratching. Pay attention to their energy levels and adjust playtime accordingly, aiming for high-energy activities when they're most alert and calmer interactions during their quiet periods. As your kitten grows, teaching them how to interact appropriately with other pets in the household can further reinforce positive behaviors. Supervised play sessions between your kitten and older pets can help them learn social cues, such as when to back off or how to play gently. Keep interactions brief initially and separate them if things become too rough. Reward both pets for calm and friendly behavior to encourage a peaceful coexistence. For biting specifically, it's important to address the issue during the kitten's early months, as this is when they are most receptive to learning. Avoid using your hands or fingers as toys, even if it seems cute at first. Allowing this behavior can confuse your kitten and lead to continued biting as they grow older. Instead, always have a toy handy to redirect their focus. When they bite, offer the toy immediately, and praise them when they latch onto it instead of your hand. In some cases, excessive biting or scratching may indicate that your kitten is feeling stressed or unwell. Changes in their environment, such as moving to a new home, introducing new pets, or even loud noises, can trigger stress-related behaviors. Pay close attention to any changes in their behavior and consult a veterinarian if you suspect an underlying health issue. Regular veterinary checkups are essential for ensuring your kitten's overall well-being, including monitoring for teething issues, skin conditions, or any discomfort that could be contributing to their behavior. Building a strong bond with your kitten involves understanding their unique personality and responding to their needs with patience and empathy. Celebrate their milestones, such as their first successful use of the scratching post or learning to play gently with your hand. Positive reinforcement goes a long way in shaping their behavior, and the trust you build during these early stages will form the foundation of a lifelong friendship. As your kitten matures, you'll notice their biting and scratching behaviors naturally decrease as they learn appropriate outlets for their energy and instincts. Your guidance during their formative months plays a critical role in this process, helping them grow into a confident and well-behaved adult cat. The effort you invest in teaching them today ensures a harmonious relationship tomorrow, creating a home filled with love, laughter, and the joy of feline companionship.